I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Giffgaff to Vodafone, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Request your PSC code. To start the porting process, you need to get a porting authorization code PSC from Giffgaff. You can do this by texting PSC to 65075 or by logging into your Giffgaff account. Step 2. Sign up with Vodafone. Next, you need to sign up for a Vodafone plan if you haven't already. You can do this online or in store. Make sure to choose a plan that suits your needs. Step 3. Provide your PSC code. Once you have your Vodafone SIM, you'll all need to provide the PSC code during the activation process. This can usually be done online or through the Vodafone app. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After submitting your PSC code, it typically takes 1 working day for your number to transfer. You'll receive a confirmation via text once the porting is complete. Step 5. Check your service. Once you've received confirmation, check that your number is working on your new Vodafone SIM. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your phone. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve connectivity problems. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps should make it a breeze. Enjoy your new Vodafone service.